That cappuccino was so delicious. Wow, my train has arrived. Now I should sleep comfortably.
There's no cappuccino on her head, it's empty!
I can't believe this is happening to me. It's awful.
Look at her, she's actually crying!
Udin din din dun drank my cappuccino and ran away.
Don't worry, I'll go and I won't spare him.
Udin din din dun isn't here!
He has been sleeping peacefully here. You are Ballerina's husband?
Rasakan pukulanku, Udin! Kurang ajar, kau akan membayar ini.
You really beat up Udin din din dun. Udin din dun.